Here's how to cancel an event on Eventbrite. So to do this, go and open up Eventbrite and sign into your account. From here, go and click Events in the left section. That will take you to all of your events right here. Now in order to delete it, you just want to click on the three dots right there and then click Delete. And then they will ask, are you sure this cannot be undone? Then you need to click OK. However, if you are selling these tickets and you have already sold some, then you will need to refund everyone that has bought, because otherwise you cannot delete the event, because then they have bought tickets for something that's not happening. So first you need to refund them. You can go to orders right here to see everyone who has ordered and just send them a refund. And then after doing that, you can go and delete it from here. Now one more thing you can do is in the dashboard of your event, instead of setting it on sale, you can do unpublish, and then it will be unpublished and you won't sell anymore. But if you have already sold tickets, then those will not be refunded by doing that. So you will need to refund those people first if you still want to cancel this event. So you can either delete it or unpublish it. So now you know how to cancel an event in Eventbrite. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.